Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video was showing some crochet braids I had done a couple of months ago, and the air used was from Refinery. It's a human hair blend in the style Island Curl in 30 inches. Well, I really did have high expectations for this hair, but honestly it was really disappointing. It's a human hair blend, okay, we get it. It's a bit soft and should be nice to install, but nope, the hair was super hard to knot. No matter how small the hair pieces I used were, tying the knot was a chore, and I spent more time than I should have on a simple crochet install. I tried to fill in the hair as much as I could, and in all honesty, this hair was just a mess, and the style wasn't kept for long. I'm not trying to diss the call Refinery. Nope, I won't do that because I've used their Goddess Lock style package more than 10 times in the past 3 years, and there's been no issue. But with this hair, I'm just gonna say never again. The hair was too thin, and coupled with the fact that my client had her sides and the back of her head shaved, it was hard to make the volume decent. So that's my quick rant, and do enjoy the video.